Hello everyone, how are you? I wish to you a nice day. Today we will speak about restoration costs of the Renault car. The restoration costs must be calculated good. General price indicated here should be taken with a grain of salt. For a complete restoration, the price can vary considerably depending on individual skills, technical knowledge, motivation to refine details, and the price obtained for new or used parts. The initial condition of the vehicle obviously has a significant impact on the final restoration cost. This cost only includes everything directly related to the restoration and therefore does not include tools. However, tools are crucial for a successful restoration and will have a considerable impact on your budget if you start without them. For your information, all new parts were purchased from a parts dealer in Milan, MPA, where I found very reasonable prices, and from Milan Restoration I bought virtually nothing from Renault, where prices are exorbitant. The total to around 4,350 euro. Don't forget to add the 100 euro I paid for the Renault itself. But since the restoration dragged on, it allowed me to spread the expenses over more than 3 years, which made things easier. You can easily imagine that under decent working conditions and with the right skills, this price could be reduced by about 30% just looking at the total amount I spent on body filler, for example. You would think either I did a terrible job, which is the case, or half the car is made of body filler. In any case, I think a complete Renault restoration without going to extremes will have a final budget of at least 3,000 euro. We'll see how much the next restaurant cost me. I'm already off to a bad start. I'm already off to a bad start with my Fiat 500 because the purchase price of the car alone is 5 times higher than that of the Renault 4. That's all for this video today. I wish you a good time, and we will say the next time the details of restoration of the Renault 4. Goodbye. I see you. Don't forget, my friends, to put a like for the video, and if you are not subscribing, subscribe in the channel Antique Garage, and thank you a lot.